In the heart of the industrial age, colossal mechanical beasts began to emerge, reshaping skylines and challenging the very definition of life. These were not mere machines, but intricate automatons, the grand mechanical menagerie, powered by steam and ingenuity. The first of these magnificent creatures was the iron elephant, a marvel of engineering that dwarfed even the largest locomotives. Its gears whirred and its pistons pumped as it lumbered through the streets, a testament to humanity's ambition. News of the iron elephant spread like wildfire, sparking both awe and fear. Some saw it as a symbol of progress, while others feared the implications of such powerful machines. Soon, other mechanical marvels joined the iron elephant. The brass lion, a fierce guardian with a deafening roar, and the silver serpent, a sleek and sinuous machine that glided through the canals. The grand mechanical menagerie was growing. Professor Armstrong, the visionary behind these creations, believed that the mechanical menagerie could bring about a new era of prosperity and innovation. He envisioned a world where machines and humans coexisted in harmony. However, not everyone shared his optimism. A shadowy organization known as the Cogsmiths believed that machines should remain subservient to humans, and they saw the mechanical menagerie as a threat to their power. The Cogsmiths began to sabotage the mechanical menagerie, causing chaos and destruction in their wake. The iron elephant went rogue, rampaging through the city streets, and the silver serpent disappeared into the depths of the canals. Anna Bellwether, a young and intrepid journalist, saw through the Cogsmiths' deception and vowed to expose their sinister plot. She believed in Professor Armstrong's vision and was determined to protect the mechanical menagerie. With the help of a reformed cogsmith, Thomas Blackwood, Anna began to unravel the conspiracy. Thomas, once a loyal follower, had grown disillusioned with the cogsmith's destructive methods and sought redemption. Their investigation led them to a hidden workshop beneath the city, where the cogsmiths were planning their most audacious act yet: to unleash a swarm of mechanical insects upon the city, plunging it into chaos. Anna and Thomas knew they had to stop the cogsmiths, but they were outnumbered and outgunned. They needed a plan, and they needed it fast. They decided to reactivate the silver serpent, hoping to use its speed and agility to disrupt the cogsmiths' plans. But the serpent was damaged and unstable, and they risked unleashing a greater danger. With Thomas's knowledge of the cogsmiths' technology and Anna's resourcefulness, they managed to repair the silver serpent, but not without attracting the attention of the cogsmiths' guards. A thrilling chase ensued, with Anna and Thomas piloting the silver serpent through the flooded tunnels, pursued by the cogsmiths' guards in their mechanical contraptions. They managed to evade their pursuers and reached the heart of the cogsmiths' operation, where the mechanical insects were being prepared for release. A final confrontation with the cogsmith leader ensued, a battle of wits and machines that threatened to destroy the entire city. Using her knowledge of the mechanical menagerie, Anna managed to outsmart the cogsmith leader, disabling the mechanical insects and thwarting their plan. The cogsmiths were defeated, and the mechanical menagerie was saved. Professor Armstrong's vision of a harmonious future was once again within reach. The iron elephant, brass lion, and silver serpent continued to roam the city, symbols of innovation and the enduring power of human ingenuity. Anna Bellwether became a celebrated journalist, using her platform to advocate for the responsible use of technology and the importance of protecting the mechanical menagerie. And so, the grand mechanical menagerie continued its reign, a testament to the boundless potential of human imagination and the enduring spirit of innovation. The mechanical menagerie's legacy extended beyond mere machines. They inspired a generation to dream bigger, to push the boundaries of what was possible, and to embrace the potential of a future where humans and machines could coexist in harmony.